Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with parking sensors, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, Nissan Connect featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Nissan Connect Services emergency communication system, steering wheel controls, keyless entry, electronic stability control, auto high beam headlamp control, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.